Welcome to F4 Sisters Dreamhouse. Hey there, Stacy's got a fun story to share about her school day. Plus, you'll pick up some cool English vocabulary words along the way. Let's dive into her world and see what she's been up to. Listen carefully. Stacy's school adventure.
Hi, I'm Stacy. Let me share my day at school, a blend of excitement and learning. I hurried to school with my backpack. Our first class was English, where we explored synonyms. For example, brave and courageous mean the same. We even wrote a story using these words. It was exhilarating. Next, was science, my favorite subject. We studied the solar system and learned that Jupiter, the colossal planet, has over 70 moons. Isn't that astonishing? We also conducted an experiment to create a mini volcano. Watching it erupt was spectacular. In math, we tackled fractions. For instance, eating half a pizza is 1/2. I even helped my friend grasp how to solve them. Teaching others felt rewarding. At lunch, my friends and I discussed books. Lily loves mysteries, while I prefer science fiction. Afterward, we played tag, and I sprinted like the wind. Later, in art class, I painted a vibrant mountain scene. My teacher praised my creativity, which made me elated. Before the day ended, we shared one thing we said. Science and math are omnipresent. Everyone applauded, and I felt accomplished. School is a treasure trove of knowledge. I'm eager for tomorrow's adventures.
Interesting vocabulary and phrases. Exhilarating means producing intense feelings of joy or excitement. Thrilling. Example, the new roller coaster ride lasts 4 minutes and is an exhilarating amusement. Colossal means extremely large or immense in size, amount, or degree. Example, the colossal statue of the ancient king was one of the largest sculptures ever found in the region. Astonishing means something that causes great surprise or amazing. Example, the magician's trick was absolutely astonishing, leaving the audience in disbelief. Erupt means to burst forth suddenly and forcefully. Example, the volcano erupted, sending ash and lava high into the sky. Spectacular means something that is visually impressive or extraordinary. Example, the fireworks display on New Year's Eve was absolutely spectacular, lighting up the entire sky. Grasp means to understand something clearly or to hold something tightly. Example, the teacher explained it again until the students could grasp the importance of the lesson. Sprinted means to run at full speed for a short distance. Example, she sprinted to catch the bus before it left. Omnipresent means being present everywhere. Example, in today's digital world, the internet is omnipresent, influencing almost every aspect of life. Applauded, which means to show approval or praise, often by clapping or expressing appreciation. Example, the teacher applauded the students for their hard work on the project. Accomplished means successful. Example, he accomplished his goal of finishing the marathon. Treasure trove, valuable collection. Example, the library is a treasure trove of knowledge, filled with books on every subject imaginable. Eager means excited. Example, the children are eager to open their presents on Christmas morning, their faces filled with anticipation and joy. Shout-out time. Hey everyone, before we wrap up this adventure, it's time for something super exciting, our shout-out time. In our last video, I asked you some fun questions.
What word describes something too attractive to resist?
And wow, so many of you got it right.
Irresistible. What word is used for a small, stylish store? Boutique. What word describes showy and over the top? Ostentatious. What word describes do something too much? Go overboard.
Now, let's announce the names of the first 5 amazing viewers who answered correctly. A big shout out to
Priyal, Abhilasha, Neha, Anjali, Distance 99 Vlogs.
Thank you so much for your amazing answers and support. Your names are now part of this video. If you want a shout out in the next video, make sure to answer today's question in the comments below. And don't forget to write your name. Who knows, you might see your name right here next time. Think and answer. Let's play.
What is a synonym for huge that starts with C? What word means to burst out suddenly, often used for volcanoes? What is a word for something very impressive or breathtaking? Which word means to understand something clearly? The first 5 commenters who provide the correct answers will get a shout out, and their names will be announced in the next video.
Thank you.